Good afternoon and namaste, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you and your family are safe and sound. So, in our previous class, we discussed about nouns, different types of nouns, and did some exercise as well, right? So, today's we are going to discuss about pronouns. Understood? So, what is pronouns? A pronoun is a word which is used in a place of a noun to end the repetition of the same noun in a sentence. Did you understand, my dear students? A pronoun is a word which is used in a place of a noun to end the repetition of the same noun in a sentence. For example, Maria is a beautiful girl. She studies in grade 6. Here the word she is used for Maria. Yes or no? Here the word she is used for Maria. So, she is a pronoun. Did you understand, my dear students, what is pronoun? Okay, a pronoun is a word which is used in a place of a noun in a sentence. For example, Maria is a beautiful girl. She studies in grade 6. The word she is used for Maria, so she is a pronoun. Like for example, he, she, it, they, we, you, etc. are some examples of pronoun. Understood? So, now we are going to study about different types of pronouns. Like you can see over here, personal pronouns, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and distributive pronouns. So, what are the different types of pronoun? Different types of pronouns which we are going to study are personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and distributive pronouns. So, what is personal pronouns? Okay, a pronouns such as I, you, or they that expresses a distinction of person is known as personal pronoun. Did you get me, my dear students? Okay, a pronoun such as I, you, or they that expresses a distinction of person, that is known as personal pronoun. For example, they, it, he, she, I, we, and you are the few examples of personal pronouns. You can look here. I like coffee. He runs fast. She is clever. We went home. Do you write a letter? These are the few sentences of personal pronouns. Understood? I, he, she, we, etc. They are the personal pronouns. Did you get me? What is personal pronoun? Okay, a pronoun such as I, you, or they that expresses a distinction of person is known as personal pronoun. They, it, he, I, we, you, she are the few examples of personal pronouns. So, you can look over here also. Personal pronouns can be in singular form also and plural form also. Understood? Personal pronouns can be in singular form as well as in plural form. Like you can see over here, singular, first person, gender, male, female, subject I, object me, possessive form my, mine. Another one is second person, gender, male, female, subject you, object you, possessive form you or yours. Another one, third person, male, female, and neuter. He, she, it, subject, him, her, it, object, and his, her, hers, its are the possessive form. Did you get me? So now plural, person, first person, male, female, subject we, object us, possessive form our, ours. Second person, gender, male, female, subject you, object you, possessive form you and yours. Third one, male, female, and neuter, subject they, object them, possessive form their, theirs. These are the few personal pronouns. Personal pronouns can be in singular form as well as in plural form. Did you get me, my dear students? Okay, now next pronouns that we are going to study is reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns, you can look over here also. So what is reflexive pronouns? Can anyone explain me what is reflexive pronouns? Okay, a reflexive pronoun is one in which the action done by the subject turn backs or reflects upon the subject. Understood? Okay, a reflexive pronoun is one in which the action done by the subject turn backs or reflects upon the subject. For example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, yourselves, ourselves, themselves. Understood? You can look here, subject self form. Subject self form of reflexive pronouns. I. What is the self form of I? Myself, right? Another one, we. What is the self form of we? Ourselves, because we is a plural noun. So what is the self form of we? Ourselves. Yes or no? Okay, I repeat again. I, myself, we, ourselves. We is a pronoun. We is a plural pronoun and the self form of we is ourselves. You, yourself. You, yourselves. He, himself. She, herself. They, themselves. It, itself. Did you understood, my dear students? So, reflexive pronoun can also be a plural form as well as a singular form. Understood? So, you can look some example over here. Suryamukhi, do your homework yourself. The girl got married herself. Let's do hard work ourselves for the progress. Sagar cooked food himself for his kids. So, yourself, herself, ourselves, himself. These are the few examples of reflexive pronouns. Did you understood, my dear students? So, another pronoun which we are going to study is demonstrative pronouns. You can look here, demonstrative pronouns. A demonstrative pronoun is one that is used to point out the objects to which it refers. Did you understand, my dear students? A demonstrative pronoun is one that is used to point out the objects to which it refers. For example, this, that, this, those, etc. are the few examples of demonstrative pronoun. This, that, singular form. This, those, plural form. You can look some example here. Those are spoons. This is a dog. These are cups. That is a hen. Those are spoons. This is in plural form. This is a dog. This is in singular form. These are cups. This is in plural form. That is a hen. This is in singular form. So, demonstrative pronoun can also be in singular form as well as in plural form. Understood? So, next one is distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns. You can look over here. So, what is distributive pronouns? A pronouns which denotes persons or things of a group separately. That is why they always become singular and followed by the singular verbs. Did you get me? Okay, I repeat again. A pronoun which denotes persons or things of a group separately. That is why they always become singular and followed by the singular verbs. Understood? For example, neither, either, each, everyone. These are the few examples of demonstrative pronouns. You can look here. Neither of them plays well. Either of you can help. Each boy was given a prize. Any of you can join. None of our friends went there. Neither, either, each, any, none. These are the distributive pronouns. Did you get me, my dear students? So what are the examples of distributive pronouns? Can you tell me? Okay, neither, either, each, any, none, etc. are the few examples of distributive pronouns. Another pronouns is interrogative pronouns. You can look here, interrogative pronouns. What is interrogative pronouns? Can anyone explain me? I think this is very easy, right? Okay, a pronoun which is used to ask questions. What is interrogative pronoun? A pronoun which is used to ask a question is known as interrogative pronouns. There are varieties of interrogative pronoun, and each of them is used to ask a specific question. Understood? A pronoun which is used to ask question. There are varieties of interrogative pronouns. Each of them is used to ask a very specific question. Like you can look over here, what, which, who, whom, whose. These are the few examples of interrogative pronouns. You can make your question yourself also. Like what is your name, where do you live, where do you study. These are the few examples that you can make yourself also. Because interrogative pronouns is used to ask a very specific question. You can look over here also. What do you want for dinner? Which color do you prefer? Who is that? Whom did you speak to? Whose phone is that? So, what, which, who, whom, whose, etc. are the few examples of interrogative pronoun. Did you get me, my dear students? Okay, so next one is relative pronoun. You can look here, relative pronoun. So what is relative pronoun? Can anyone explain me about it? Relative pronoun. A relative pronoun is used to connect a clause or a phrase to a noun or a pronoun using words who, whom, which, when, where, why and that. And relative pronouns can refer to a singular or a plural noun for both male and female. Did you get me, my dear students? A relative pronoun is used to connect a clause or a phrase to a noun or a pronoun using words who, whom, which, when, where, why and that. Relative pronouns can refer to a singular or a plural noun for both male and female. For example, who, whom, whose, whoever, whomever, which, that. These are the few examples of relative pronouns. You can look over here also. This is the cafe where we met first. Where is relative pronoun? Can you tell me when he went out? When is the relative pronouns. This is why we are always backward. That means which is relative pronoun over here? Yes, why? The 8:30 is the train that you need to get. Which is the relative pronoun over here? Yes, that. That is the relative pronoun. So, where, when, why, that. These are the few examples of relative pronouns. Did you get me? Are you clear about the different types of noun? You can look over here. Personal pronoun I, he, she, we, do are personal pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns those, this, these, that, they are demonstrative pronouns. Yourself, herself, ourselves, himself, these are reflexive pronouns. Where, when, why, that, these are relative pronouns. And what, which, who, whom, whose, these are interrogative pronouns. Neither, either, each, any, none, these are distributive pronouns. So, we learn the different types of pronouns also and introduction to pronouns also. So, now we are going to discuss some few exercises. Understood? So, my dear students, we discuss about the different types of pronouns: personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, distributive pronouns. Now, we are going to do some exercise related to this. First of all, exercise 1, that is personal pronouns. You need to give me the answer, okay? So, exercise 1, that is personal pronoun. My name is Dipti Ghimire, dash, study in grade 6. There are 35 students, dash are both girls and boys. So, what will be the answer in this dash? Can anyone tell me what will be the answer in this? My name is Dipti Ghimire, dash, study in grade 6. I study in grade 6, right. I study in grade 6. There are 35 students. They are both girls and boys. They are both girls and boys. Lekha has a new bag. Dash was sent to her by Dash father. What will be the answer for this? Lekha has a new bag. It was sent to her by her father. I, they, it, her. They are personal pronouns. Now another one, exercise 2, that is reflexive pronoun. Suryamukhi, do your homework. What will be the answer? You can look over here also. Suryamukhi, do your homework yourself. Yourself. You can tick over here. Now next one. Air moves dash and we can't see it dash. What will be the answer for this? Can anyone tell me? Air moves itself. Air moves itself and we can't see it. We, that means plural. So we need to write ourselves. O-U-R-S-E-L-V-E-S. Ourselves. So another one is C number. River flowed downward dash from the Himalayas. Right. River flowed downward. Itself. I-T-S-E-L-F. Itself from the Himalayas. So, yourself, itself, ourselves, itself. This is the few example of reflexive pronouns. So, next one is exercise 3, demonstrative pronoun. Are you leaving dash weekend for Nepal? Yes. Are you leaving this? T-H-I-S. Are you leaving this weekend for Nepal? We used to do it differently in dash days. We used to do it differently in, what will be the answer? Those, right. T-H-O-S-E, those. Now another one, C number. Take one of dash files from that table. So what will be the answer? Yes, those. Take one of those files from that table. So here also this, those, those. They are demonstrative pronouns. Understood? So my dear students, now it's time for exercise 4, that is distributive pronoun. Dash works sincerely in this office. What will be the answer here? Yes, everyone. Everyone works sincerely in this office. Next one, dash accusation is true against him. What will the answer here? Yes, neither. N-E-I-T-H-E-R, neither. I may buy dash of these 2 gifts. What will be the answer here? Either. E-I-T-H-E-R, either. Everyone, neither, either. These are the few examples of distributive pronoun. Understood? Now next one, exercise 5, interrogative pronoun. Dash threw the football. What will be the answer here? Yes, who? W-H-O, who. Now next one, dash car is that? Yes, whose car is that? Dash wants ice cream. Who wants ice cream? Now last one, exercise 6. relative pronoun. The man dash we met on the street is my uncle. What will be the answer here? Whom? W-H-O-M. Whom? The neighborhood dash we live is safe. What will be the answer here? Where? W-H-E-R-E. Where? The boy dash bike was stolen is crying. What will be the answer here? Very good. What will be the answer? Whose? W-H-O-S-E. Whose. So here, whom, where, whose are the few examples of relative pronoun. So my dear students, today we discuss about pronouns, different types of pronouns, uses of different types of pronouns. Like you can see over here, we have done this one also, right? This one, reflexive pronoun, personal pronoun, how to use this, self form of reflexive pronoun, and done some exercise as well, right? So my dear students, today we discuss about the pronouns, different types of pronouns, uses of personal pronouns, uses of reflexive pronouns, uses of demonstrative pronouns, uses of relative pronouns, uses of interrogative pronouns, uses of distributive pronouns, and personal pronouns singular and plural form like person, gender, subject, object, possessive form. We have done this. And next one, reflexive pronoun, subject and self form like I, myself, we, ourselves, you, yourself, you, yourselves, he, himself, she, herself, they, themselves, it, itself, and as well as we have did some exercises as well. Yes or no? So we will meet in next class. Till then, stay safe, take care, and don't trouble your parents. Thank you.